Hi guys, this is Ronald Galas, internet marketer, blogger, and entrepreneur. Okay guys, well in this short video, I'm going to share with you some tips how to become expert in network marketing, direct selling business or MLM. Okay guys, paano nga ba maging successful sa career na pinasok natin or MLM or networking? Okay guys, paano nga ba maging successful? Okay guys, most top earner have their own secrets, have their own skills, have their own knowledge how to become successful. They're unique, guys. Okay, paano nga ba nila nakuha yung mga secrets na yun? How do they acquire that knowledge to become successful, to achieve those great success? Okay, guys. Behind that great success, there's are some pattern kung paano nila ginawa yan. And in this video, I'm going to share with you and in this video, gusto kong maunawaan mo na yung pattern na yun, kailangan ay malaman mo dahil kung paano nila naging maging successful sa internet marketing or networking business nila. Okay guys, most top earners do the research. Most top earners are hunger for more wisdom, hunger for more knowledge to become successful in their career or in their chosen field, which is network marketing. Okay guys, how do they do that? Okay guys, the pattern is do the research. Guys, do the research. Most of earners, they ask Google, they ask YouTube. Okay guys, they ask for more skills, more knowledge. They use the power of internet. They use the ability of other how to become successful. They use the knowledge. They duplicate them. Just simple as that, guys. Okay, guys? Bali, kung gusto mo talaga maging successful, you need to know how to become successful. Okay, guys? Next is, you need to find a mentor. You need to have a mentor. Okay? You need to have a guru how can teach you to achieve that success. Okay? That's why you need to do some research how to become really successful. Parang gano'n lang naman yun eh. Basically guys, parang ito lang yun eh. Bakit nga ba tayo pumapasok sa schools? Bakit nga ba tayo pumapasok sa bakit nga natin ginagawa yung mga bagay na gusto natin? For example is dancing. Why do we dance? Why do we sing? Diba guys? Parang gano'n lang naman yun eh. How do we dance? How do we sing? Parang ganun lang, okay? How to dance? Siyempre, magpaturo ka sa isang choreographer, parang ganun. How to sing? Magpaturo ka sa isang singer. Para how to swim? Magpaturo ka sa isang, di ba? Guys, parang ganun lang. Everything have a mentor. Okay guys? Everyone have a mentor. Okay guys? Parang ganun naman yun eh. Kung gusto mo talagang mag-successful, kailangan meron kang mentor na mag-guide sa'yo sa success para ma-achieve mo ito. Ang mentor kasi is parang compass papunta doon sa success na gusto mong maabot. Parang gano'n. Mentor will be your aim. Mentor will, what I mean to say is, mentor will be your guidelines. Okay guys? That is a mentor. You need to find it. If you want to achieve great success and get into it, guys, okay, yun na lang maging successful. Okay, next is, if you do the research, kung minahita ng mentor na magtuturo sa iyo how to become successful in your chosen field, congratulations. Next thing is you need to do is duplicate them. Guys, ito yung pinakamadaling paraan para sa amin. Para sa most networkers. They duplicate what the mentors does so they can get what they want to get. Parang gano'n lang. Yan, parang ito naman yun. If you're always doing what you always done, you keep on getting what you've always got. Parang gano'n lang kasi plan. So, if you really want to become successful, do the research. Ano guys, based on my story, may ibang mentors na nakilala ko, weird sila. Guys, they do some things na hindi ginagawa ng iba. For example, they do some research, they do some meditation, they do some exercises. Hindi sila basta hataw ng hataw. Lahat ng ginagawa nila ay accurate. Guys, ganun sila mag-market. They market accurate and plan. They plan. Okay guys? So they plan how to achieve it. Hindi sila humahataw ng basta. Yung mga nagiging successful sa business natin, hindi lang sila hataw ng hataw. In our generation, guys, in our generation, in our year, dapat alam mo yun. Because if you really don't know how to become successful, how to duplicate, guys, mahihirapan ka sa business na ginagawa mo. Because in your business, you need to be above the competition in order to achieve that great success in a fast way. Okay guys? Parang gano'n lang naman yun eh. Okay. So meron ka ng, so let's say, you do the research, you find a mentor, okay guys? So you duplicate, nakapag-duplicate ka sa kanila, kung ano yung mga ginagawa nila, magagawa mo na rin. Magagawa mo na rin. So next thing you need to do is take a massive action. Okay guys, how to take a massive action? Just always in action. Whatever it takes, it must be done. Okay guys, that's how to take a massive action. Whatever it takes, it must be done. Okay. During in the process, that was the painful, that was the hardest. Okay. In the middle of your action, diyan ka magsisimulan, diyan ka makakaano ng frustration, diyan ka makakaramdam ng uncomfortable. Diyan mo mararamdaman yan. And congratulations, if kung nararamdaman mo na yan, it means you're progressing, you're on the process to become successful. Okay guys? Next thing is, be a lifelong learner. Okay guys, ganito lang naman yun eh. Sa tingin mo ba kung si Henry C. nakontento lang sa isang mall na naitayo niya? Okay, ang SM, basically, nagtrabaho siya sa SM before. And doon ko nalaman na ang SM pala ay isa lang pala dati, ang SM pala ay ano lang pala dati yan, na parang malit lang siyang store sa Quiapo. Doon ang first SM branch sa Quiapo. Doon sa yung SM Quiapo na yun, tapos yung si Henry C. dati kasi, gusto niya maging successful, gusto niya talagang maging successful. So alam naman natin siya, more on business minded siya kasi nga Chinese, okay, most Chinese are business minded, parang gano'n lang. So si Henry C. hindi siya nakontento na magkaroon lang siya ng isang Quiapo. Nag-isip siya, pinag-aralan niya kung paano siya magkakaroon ng ibang branch. Okay, next niya na itayo is yung sa North, hanggang sa dumami. Ngayon ang pagkakaroon natin sa SM is SM malls lang guys. Hindi, mostly sa atin ang laman ng SM lang. Pag sinabi SM mall lang. No guys, maraming ibig sabihin ng SM. Meron SM investment, SM corporation, SM developments, basta marami sila. Iba-iba sila category. At yung SM na yun ay nagmula kay Henry C. dahil sa desire niyang maging lifelong learner and sa beliefs niyang magiging successful siya. Okay guys, last is your results comes from your action. Your actions comes from your belief. Your belief comes from your motivation. Okay guys, si Henry C. nagkaroon siya ng motivation na maging successful. At dahil nagkaroon siya ng motivation, maging successful, na-impact niya sa sarili niya. Nagkaroon siya ng belief how to become successful. That's why he planned how to become successful. That's why he decide, he act how to achieve it, how to acquire that success. Okay guys, just a short story about SM lang naman. Pero sa business natin, ganun din. Kailangan maging lifelong learner. Kailangan you seek more wisdom from our Creator to maintain your great success. For example, naging successful ka na, na-achieve mo na, huwag kang papayag guys na hanggang doon na lang. Just expand it. Expand and explode. your knowledge how to become successful. Apply. Help people. Guys, that's the number one thing you need to do. Help people as you can. Okay, guys? Give value to yourself first before others will invest in you. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, and I hope may natutunan kayo sa video na ito. And till next time, Ronald Nicolas. Ayun ko sa tingin nyo na ang video na ito ay pwedeng makatulong sa inyo, sa friends nyo. You can share this in comment, just comment below. And I will glad to read them. And kung meron kayong mga question, you can PM me directly to my Facebook account or on my fan page. Okay, for more tips and tricks, you can like my fan page for my hottest update how to become successful, or for my hottest update in network marketing. Okay, so see you till next time.